Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and I'm back with another video. Here on the screen, you saw me do a reaction video to this new ON 4K Pro. This is the second gen that is releasing from the Walmart brand. Hopefully, it'll be here very, very soon because I would love to get my hands on this and check it out just to make sure it's up to par, up to our standards of streaming devices. It goes to show you that you don't need a very expensive device to enjoy the content that comes with it. So this is going to be very, very interesting. Over here, right, here's the new ON 4K streaming stick. And this one is now going to be 4K. Now, if you're familiar with these devices here, let me just make the screen a little bit bigger. This is the original ON stick, right? It's just full HD, no 4K, anything like that. I done had this one for a while, never even opened it. I think I grabbed a couple of them, I opened it. But they pretty solid. It'll get the job done. But I am glad that they are turning their attention over to making this device a 4K. Basically, what ON is doing, they're basically coming for the Amazon Fire TV streaming devices. That's just what it is. When you go back to the original, where is it at? I just had it right here. Okay, I got pretty much all of their devices. All right. I mean, I got the original, and again, I love to show off because I got pretty much every device that has come out. Really, if you just now learning about my channel, this is the original. All right, this is the original device right here. Hasn't been opened. Okay, and again, here it is. This device goes up against, the Fire TV Cube at a very, very cheap price. Again, this one, I bought this one for $50 when they first came out. And since you have these, all right, this is the ON 4K Plus. Okay, this is the latest one, the last one that they released. But here it is on the screen. They have this new stick coming out, and it's going to be 4K because they are coming after Amazon, and I think Amazon done messed up, and so. Here it is right here. Let's read this article right here. Let's get into it. New details and images of Walmart's upcoming second-gen ON 4K Pro leaked a few days ago. And again, I will leave that video that I did a reaction for on this one in the description of this video. So I will leave that there. And now it looks like that won't be Walmart's only new 4K Google TV device this year. Android TV Guide has posted images of an upcoming ON stick alongside with specs and benchmarks on Reddit that they believe to be Walmart's first ON 4K streaming device. The unreleased ON 4K stick is said to use model number DV6137, code name Parker, and is manufactured by SDMC. That's the manufacturer. Y'all can look them up. They do a whole lot of different streaming devices. Like all of Walmart's previous ON streaming devices, however, unlike all past ON models, which were powered by Amlogic processor, this new device is said to use a Realtek RTD 1325 quad-core SoC, clocked at 1.7 gigahertz, and the ARM Mali G57 GPU. It has 2 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of storage, and what appears to be USB-C port for power. And I'm going to discuss what I think of this later on. Android TV Guide has found benchmarks that they say are for this new ON 4K stick. If accurate, the new 4K stick is slightly more powerful than the ON 4K box and about 30% less powerful than the ON 4K Plus. That puts it on par with Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Plus. And you see right here, they give a little description up under here. But it says Android TV Guide says this is the same suspected on stick that leaked through FCC filing last month, but I don't think that's correct. The FCC filing leak was clearly marked as having 1 gig of RAM, while the newly uncovered benchmark for this Parker codename device have 2 gigs of RAM. The line images above are clearly of a new ON streaming stick from Walmart, since the shape doesn't match Walmart's current ON HD stick or its past stick models, which remains unclear is the exact new lineup. Walmart might be releasing 2 new ON sticks. The 1 gigabyte RAM model seen in the FCC filing likely a 1080p, basically the same as this right here. And the 2 gigabyte RAM model spotted in benchmark, likely the 4K device. However, it is also possible that one of these devices isn't an ON product at all. Walmart typically releases new ON streaming devices between late April and early May, so we shouldn't have to wait long for official answers. So again, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy that there's competition, and with all the craziness that's going on with Amazon, and now we're hearing a little bit of craziness with Google TV, but at least Google TV saying, look, we're going to give you 24 hours, all right? Amazon is saying we're trying to wipe everything. Anything that they deem as piracy, they're going to try to wipe out. And so it's going to be a cat and mouse game when it comes to the Amazon Fire TV stick. But if you've been rocking with me or you're new rocking with me, then I'm going to tell you to go with Google TV. If you have an Amazon device, I'm not hating on Amazon devices, but I don't want anybody jumping through the loops and waking up and your application is gone and all of that stuff. I don't want you going through that. And so that's why I used to love Amazon devices until all this craziness started happening. And so I made the switch. Do I still use Amazon devices from time to time? Absolutely. Like, I love the new user interface. I love it. I think it's nice. I think it's good. I think it makes it a very, very solid device to stream on. But I just don't like the hoops and trying to figure out the cat and mouse game over there. So I made the jump into Google TV a couple of years, probably about 3 years, maybe going on 4 years now. But there are other devices just in case Android TV, Google TV want to act up. We got other devices out here that I have. I have plenty of devices that I can go to enjoy my entertainment. IPTV, I got my own Plex, so I don't have to wait on Netflix or nothing. I can use a device that doesn't have the licensing for Netflix or Amazon Prime because I built my own media library and I put it on Plex. Some people put it on Emby, some people put it on Jellyfin, some people use Kodi. It really comes down to personal preference. But I am glad that there are, Walmart is getting a stick. Here's the thing. We just need to know the price. Because as we see all of these prices from fuel, food, everything is rising. So we know that these devices are going to rise. Now, will they come down from time to time? I believe so, because that's just what Walmart does. But it's going to be interesting, the devices that are coming out very, very soon. So hopefully I get my hands on it. I was the first one to get my hands on the original model. I was the first one to get my hands on the 4K, the ON 4K Pro. Just do your homework. Google me. And you will see my hand and my picture when I did a live. And I was the first one to get my hands on the ON 4K Plus that I actually put out here. So that's 3 out of 3 that I was the first one on YouTube actually doing a demonstration of these ON products. So Walmart, if you need somebody to review, get in touch with me. All right, I've been 3 for 3. I don't need to be 3 for 4. So I definitely want to keep that trending going, as being the first one to actually get my hand on these devices and actually present them to y'all who may be thinking about getting these devices. So again, it's going to be interesting. I can't wait. I even got this bullcrap Chromecast with Google TV right here with this old crazy remote. So I got plenty of devices, guys. But let's get the conversation started. Are you going to get these new devices? Are you staying with Amazon? Are you just going to sit back and, put your money together if you don't have an NVIDIA Shield? Let me know what you're going to do. Let me know if you're interested in this. I think this is pretty solid. And also, guys, I almost forgot. Here are the specs. Right here, you see it. The manufacturer, everything about it. The socket, the CPU, the GPU, 2 gigs. Now, I do not like the 8 gigs of RAM. I do not like it. I think in today's time, you can at least go a minimum of 16. So this might hurt this device right here, really, when you can get a Pro and you can get the Plus with more storage. I think they were being very cheap right here. I definitely do not like it. But other than that, it will have the licensing, everything. And I'm going to leave everything in the description. So, again, guys, I'm checking my analytics. I got so many new people, so many new subscribers joining. Please hit that thumbs up. Share this video out to some of your social media platforms. Also, I got a lot of people that are watching my videos that are not subscribed. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. That way it keeps me encouraged to come on here and share this information with you. And so, again, salute to everyone. Y'all be safe out there. Don't forget to hit that bell notification and select all. That way you get notified anytime I release any content on YouTube. Y'all be safe out there. This is Superdell, and I'm signing out. Peace.